Ben calling me. What's up, Ben? How far away are you?
Hey, what's up? How's it going, Matt?
Well, it's going along pretty good, buddy. How far away are you?
Oh, I'd say a good 6 hours. My damn wheel fell off.
What? The wheel fell off? What the hell? Are you kidding me? Gosh damn it. Clayton, go get it.
Go get it, man. We're gonna be going over what happened with my truck here. So this was a caliper, brand new out of the box before I left. So I was driving down the road. I was driving down the road from Missouri to Gillette, Wyoming. 10 minutes out of Sioux Falls, maybe doing 60, 50, not going too fast, but not going too slow. So head along, wheel falls off, wheel comes off, I see it. I glance over, I'm like, oh, what the heck is that? I'm like, oh, what the heck is that? It's my tire. It is my tire and wheel in one. Comes up, bounces, hits this door. You can come see it did a number on this door here. Pretty good sized hole. That's gonna be great for later. So I spun out, slid off the road, went to the ditch, probably sat there for 6 hours until Clayton came and got me. So this is the wheel. This is all still attached. So the whole cap, the cap itself melted itself. So this all, you can even see like the back side. Check out the back side of it. So you can see that wheel bearing just decided it did not want to be a wheel bearing anymore. So the caliper itself is fine. I'm gonna, or not the caliper, the rotor itself is fine. I'm gonna reuse that. We're gonna be throwing a new wheel bearing on it. Let's go to the front of the truck again. I'm gonna talk about what we're gonna do. So we've got obviously new parts to repair the truck. But the real plan is fuck, I can't even say it. Let me think about it. Fuck. You should have recorded the plane. Look at that plane. Oh, no, it's okay, let me restart. First things first, we're gonna get this thing torn apart and put all of it back together. That way we have it on 4 wheels again. And we're gonna have 4 wheels. So stay tuned, we're gonna make that happen.
There was one staying on the track, so I wish the train would have gave him one. Yeah. Boom! Slammed him. He would have just seen a deer just boom, 150 feet in the air.
Sometimes you might need a
little flathead
screwdriver. Sometimes you get lucky, she'll come right out.
There you go.
There we go.
Can you see the snap ring in there? It's in there. Yeah, I can see it slightly. All right, there's the snap ring.
See the 2 holes in there.
We're going to grab the snap ring pliers. And then after we do that, there's 4 21mm bolts. So now I can get started on this. Man, these are rusty. We need some rusties. A little bit of rusties.
Little Rusty's bumper ointment.
You too can be just like me. You're gonna need the big one.
These are the big ones.
That's not the big one. That's the medium one. Okay. There's nut number 1. Keep the nuts because the new kit doesn't come with nuts, but it does come with the studs for it. So we'll put some Loctite on those, put them in before we put this together. You wanna pull that snap ring out?
Sure.
This is the worst part about the whole deal.
I don't know what's worse, honestly, getting it out or putting it back in.
Fair enough.
I think it's worse at that specific given moment.
Fair enough.
There we go.
You got it backwards?
Sometimes you get lucky and it'll pop, but it'll still come right
And then if you grab yourself a pick.
Good news is it can't go back on by itself, so you can just fish her out of there.
I need a smaller pick. This is our road tool kit, so.
Yes, because we were just on the road at another show, and we're too lazy to go put all the tools back, even though we're leaving next week.
We're leaving in like 2 days, 48 hours, 36, 72 hours.
greasy.
You know, a magnet would probably go pretty far right here too.
So with the correct screwdriver.
There we go. Well, that bad boy goes in the trash can now.
Yep. But we were saying earlier is sometimes you'll pry it in there and then it'll pop and it sounds like it didn't do anything, but it actually did force itself off. And sometimes you can get lucky with that. And when that happens, it's actually really nice. So. And then we just got to do the rest of these nuts back here, and
which I've already got one of them out of there.
Pop right out of there once we get that done.
Here, give me that deep socket, and let me swap you here. You hold the camera. Wonder if I can get lucky. I bet I can get lucky. Nope, can't get lucky.
Probably not. Doing it in my hand. Yep, right there.
There it is. I'm pretty certain torque spec's probably in the 200 range.
Oh yeah, we forgot. If you have asthma, make sure you keep your puffer around for this part.
You making fun of me there, dickhead?
I have it too.
Oh, fair enough.
I mean, not as bad as somebody that has one lung, but I do have asthma, yes.
Yeah.
Now for this part, you can't go inside and turn the wheel and turn it different ways to use an impact and everything, but you know, sometimes we just like to do it the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, fight the rust.
Yep.
Fair enough. Whew. That's a rusty son of a gun right there. That's probably the original hub assembly from this axle of 2005.
Wouldn't doubt it, actually.
With as much rust as it has. Oh, it's bringing the whole bolt out.
Oh.
That's why it's fighting me so bad.
All right. Hey, one less bolt we gotta pull.
It's actually gonna make it a pain in the ass. Because that means I gotta take this, put it in the vise, and use the impact to finish pulling the nut off the bolt.
Why? It comes with new bolts.
It doesn't come with new nuts.
Oh, yes, the nut. Yep, never mind. This got a lot crappier.
Oh.
Oh, wait, never mind.
Took it halfway out and then got stuck and then brought the rest of it.
Thank God.
Thank goodness. Alrighty, swapping sides.
Oh yeah, you can just see the rust falling off here. Usually not like something that you guys not struggling.
Thanks, jerk.
They don't know this yet, but this is part comedy show as well. Too.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels lovely. That actually feels incredibly horrible, Ben. Wow.
Hey, this wasn't Ben's fault.
No, I know.
It's just his truck, so technically it is.
Ben works a lot, so poor guys like me never gets to work on his own damn truck.
He does have hardly any time to work on his own stuff.
So we might give him a hard time, but it's only because we love Ben.
Yep.
Let's see if I can get to that one from the top side now. Whew. A lot of rust that came out of there.
There's a lot of rust coming out everywhere. You gotta be a little more specific.
Fair enough. But he lives in St. Louis.
Yeah, St. Louis, it doesn't like, there's no rust at all down there. This is confusing. He doesn't have salt water, he's got fresh water.
Ah, fair enough.
Because he's on the Missouri River, right?
Yeah. Or Mississippi. Mississippi
No,
River.
Mississippi, yeah.
One of those.
You would think, you know, being that close to Missouri, they'd call it the Missouri River, but I guess not.
I'm gonna say it's a damn river.
It's a big ass river. If you guys ever get a chance to go to St. Louis, definitely do it.
Go check out the arches.
That place was crazy.
The archway was pretty cool.
The archway was cool, and then where did we stop that one time with the 40-foot gooseneck when we should definitely not have stopped there?
The archway?
With the 40-foot gooseneck, the game just got out.
Oh no, that wasn't St. Louis.
Yeah, I know, but where was that?
That was Broadway. Broadway Avenue in Nashville, Tennessee.
Yeah, Nashville, Tennessee. I'll tell you what, you guys want a good time, go to Broadway with a 40-foot gooseneck. That was not.
Or just go to have some beer.
Oh, hold on. You gotta have a 40-foot gooseneck, and a dually, and
two trucks on the 40-footer.
Two trucks on the 40-footer, and a baseball? Football. And a football game just has to get out with the arena across the street. And it makes for a wonderful...
That was a 2-hour trip for 2 miles.
Yes.
But it was awesome.
Yes.
You should have seen the looks we got.
Oh yeah,
alrighty.
People loved it though.
Now you got to get some rowdiness with this.
Oh. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Split right there. That means we're doing something right. Oh.
That'll be fine.
Okay.
Oof, that is...
When you get new fenders, Ben, just make sure you replace all 4.
He's gonna watch this video. You jerks!
It's like, y'all are mechanics?
More mechanics around here?
Nah, we just have tools.
Oh, fair enough.
I believe they call it rednecks with money.
Holy smokes!
Yeah, that little area's on there.
That thing is rusty. I'm gonna call Lightning McQueen to get some rusties, see if it helps here.
Yeah.
Yes, we just made a Lightning McQueen reference.
If you don't like cars, please unfollow this.
Man, Cars was like, you wanna know what Cars was? Cars and Toy Story were my top 2 babysitters.
Oh yeah, absolutely. That probably got too far.
Alrighty. That was a raspberry son of a gun.
No kidding. As you can see,
It is rusty.
It's a teeny bit rusty. Oh yeah. Okay. Yep, that's a little bit rusty. So we're gonna clean that out with some emery cloth too before we put this back on here.
Yeah, it'll help seal it.
Seal it a lot better and hopefully prevent a little bit of rust from coming back.
So Ben's obviously not worried about 4-wheel drive because he lives in St. Louis.
Yep. It'll need 4-wheel drive out there.
And if he does need it, he can lock it manually. That being said, this seal right here, if you don't have your 4-wheel drive, if it's not working, it's this seal right here. I'm not changing that seal right now. Ben, I love you. You're not paying me to do this, so I'm not doing this. That seal is a bastard to change. I'm gonna pull the axle all the way out. Ugh, yummy. Anyways, that's a lot of rust.
Yeah.
That guy's been in there since brand new, I guarantee it. Ooh, yeah. Man, that feels nice and dry. That's good.
Yep, just how everything is supposed to be all six up.
Yep.
Too bad it never is because everything leaks.
Pretty much.
So this is our new one here, and we're keeping the ABS wire on there because on the old one because it does come with a new one, as you guys can see right there. Oh wow, it actually comes with a whole flipping assembly.
The whole harness.
That's fancy.
All the way up to the fender.
Look at those new seals. Love it.
All right, we got some
this
memory
is what
cloth.
a new one's supposed to look like.
That hurt, so I'd say those are torqued.
Back hurts, so they're torqued?
Yep.
All right, perfect. All right, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the job here. They're pretty snug in there. Oh, hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Don't put that over there yet.
We're not putting that on.
Not yet, not yet. We gotta put the
you wanna
caliper
put the-
on.
Oh, okay, good.
Gotta put the rotor on. First we're gonna do our snap ring, and then we're gonna put the rotor on, and then we'll put the caliper and bracket back on. Chime back in when we're all ready to put the tire back on for you guys. I'm gonna get out of my hand so that way he doesn't have to do it all by himself. So we got the snap ring back in, 4-wheel drive locking assembly in. We got 2 bolts here. Technically there's supposed to be 3. This truck didn't have it, so we're not gonna put that one in there obviously.
It's okay.
It's not, yeah, it doesn't need that. Now, this is something I can tell you from experience. Always put some Loctite on these bad boys. These are caliper retaining, the caliper bracket bolts. I tell you right now, if you don't put Loctite on there, you are living life on the edge, okay? There we go. See that bad boy? Should be fine.
Hopefully, man. That would really suck.
Yeah, you're telling me. Going back together, I'm gonna adjust that brake line to make this a little bit faster for me. Now I'm just gonna grab this and
Gonna give her a once over.
that should be
Those
good
Milwaukee
enough.
impacts are pretty good at torquing stuff down. So
Yeah, I probably don't need to do this, but oh my god, that's tight as hell.
he says, "Oh my god, that's tight as hell."
Okay, and then we got to put this bad boy right here. Put that back in there. Put this right here. Alrighty. We're pretty much done. Now we're just gonna put the tire back on, and then we're done with this truck.
Yeah, that's pretty much it right there.
There's nothing else left. Keith and the boys are outside cleaning vehicles today, huh, Keith?
Yeah,
Pressure washing like crazy.
yeah. No, we're done, so.
Well, we got the trailer all cleaned up. Got the mom ride, the mom van, the 2023 Expedition Timberland all cleaned up. Now we're gonna clean the Silverado and then Blue Jeans.
What about King Twins?
And then King Twins if we still have sunlight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can do like one more.
You can do another 2 of them. Kids are complaining about working hard at them.
Yeah, I tell them they can get paid tomorrow too then. Oh wait, we're not open on Sundays. What's that saying? Don't put off what you can do today for tomorrow or something like that?
Yeah, I can't remember what it is.
I can't remember that exact same, but abide by that.
Procrastination is not.
Procrastination is killing America.
Forces, baby.
In case you're all wondering, yes, that was setting 3 with a chrome impact socket.
Full send, baby.
Full send. That's all we do around here.
All right, that's done.
Yep, that's not going anywhere.
All right, guys, we replaced the rusty one. No, it is not rusty but trusty when it comes to these. Rusty but trusty when the truck runs good, but you still need good hub assemblies. Replace the hub assembly, but now we're just gonna give it a once over to make sure it's ready to go on a trip to Missouri, because the last time I made the trip, it didn't make it.
4-post lift, people. Don't know how many times we
It's
gotta
weight
say
in
it.
gold.
Don't know how many times we gotta say it. 4-post lift. 4-post lift and get yourself this, whatever this thing is.
You gotta go back up.
Dang it! Always remember to pull that.
So it drops all
Model
over.
number is RJ7W, in case you're wondering, from Benpack.
We don't sell anything Benpack, but
No.
I'll give it to them.
I'm
when I
saying,
can.
yeah, well, I'm saying if you want to go on their website and do it.
It's definitely quality product.
Give her a tug.
Let's see if it starts better being inside. This thing needs injectors and glow plugs so bad.
Probably not.
Oh my God, this thing will take forever to
But you
start.
know what Ben did do for us to make it super easy? Put a little, come over here.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, he put a little ether port there for us.
Direct shot of ether right there. Copy.
Sign me up.
Let's fire the bad boy up. Yep, you notice we're opening the door because it's that smoky. Let's see what happens. All right.
Why couldn't you do that earlier?
When it's in at least 60-degree weather, she fires up great.
Right.
55, no go.
I mean, I had it parked outside and it's sunny and warm today.
Yeah, it was sunny and warm today. Everything, but like, subscribe, follow, check us out. All of our other social media accounts. We're definitely like to have fun on social media. Thanks again for all the support, guys. Find something fun to do next, okay?